Pipedream and Tray.io, two giants in the automation space. But when the dust settles, who really stands out? On one side, we have Pipedream, the developer-friendly integration powerhouse. And on the other side, Tray.io, the flexible, no-code automation platform making big waves. We're testing them head-to-head in the areas that matter most: ease of use, integration options, pricing, reliability, and more. Let's set aside the marketing lingo and dig into the features that actually make a difference. Each round will award points, and at the end, you'll know exactly which platform comes out on top. The winner might just surprise you. Let's get into it. So here's how we're going to do this. Let's map it all out. We're comparing both platforms across pricing, integration power, developer experience, enterprise features, and ecosystem. Each of these really tells a different story, so stick around because the differences aren't always obvious. Okay, first up, pricing. Pipedream actually starts things off strong with a pretty generous free tier. Like, you can genuinely get real stuff done without pulling out your wallet right away. Super transparent too, pay as you go, know what you're getting into. Now, keep in mind, if your workflows blow up in volume, costs can scale up, but it's all up front. Tray.io, on the other hand, is very much tailored for enterprises. We're talking no public pricing, custom quotes, and honestly, for smaller teams or startups, it can be a bit of a sticker shock. But if you're a big org chewing through millions of tasks, you might see some discounts. Still, Pipedream takes the win here for keeping things clear, simple, and approachable. Next up, integration power. Okay, Tray.io is honestly kind of a beast here. Their roster of enterprise SaaS integrations is massive. If you're working with Salesforce, NetSuite, SAP, all those mega platforms, Tray's got advanced mapping, deep automation, and tons of workflow options. To be fair, Pipedream does have hundreds of pre-built components and makes it easy to wire up APIs. But if you need deep hooks into those big platforms, Tray.io edges ahead, although sometimes it can get complex to actually set things up. So for raw integration horsepower, Tray.io's got the automation. Alright, developer experience. This is where things get interesting. Pipedream, oh man, if you're a coder, you'll feel right at home. You can literally write event handlers in Node, Python, Go, or even Bash. It's all event-driven, super scriptable, honestly just inviting you to build whatever wild idea you've got. Not super codeless though, so it's not for everyone. Meanwhile, Tray.io is more of a visual, low-code vibe. There's a good drag-and-drop builder, solid docs, but if you want to just drop into code and go nuts, you might feel restricted. So this round, Pipedream wins it, no question. For dev-friendly, interesting to build whatever wild idea you've got. Why? Lay. Oh, and here's something cool that not everyone knows. Did you know that Pipedream actually lets you deploy your workflows as APIs in literal seconds? Like, you write your logic, click a button, and boom, it's an endpoint. That's such a power-up for quick integrations. Enterprise features. Okay, here's where Tray.io flexes big time. We're talking robust role-based access control, SSO, audit logs, dedicated onboarding, SLAs, all the juicy stuff you'd expect for serious governance and security. Pipedream does have team workspaces and sharing, but some of the heavier-duty enterprise tooling is just not really there yet. So if you're a big org with compliance headaches, Tray.io wins this category hands down. Last one for now, ecosystem and community. This is kind of fun. Pipedream has a thriving open source library, and their Slack and Discord channels are super active, a real builder's vibe. Yeah, there are a few less official partner integrations, but you get a lot of user-driven momentum. On the flip side, Tray.io does have a more official, supported marketplace for connectors, but it's a tighter, more closed ecosystem. So, for openness and community spirit, Pipedream takes this one. Alright, let's take a breather and see how this all stacks up. Looking at the overall scores, Pipedream's got clear wins in developer experience and pricing, plus strong community support, but Tray.io absolutely dominates on enterprise features and those deep SaaS integrations. So, final thoughts? Here's the bottom line. If you're a developer, a startup, or someone who wants to prototype fast without waiting through endless enterprise sales calls, Pipedream is honestly going to feel like a breath of fresh air. But if you need serious governance, those heavy-duty integrations, or you're rolling this out across a big org, Tray.io makes a lot of sense, even if it does cost more and feels a bit less open. Me? I pick Pipedream for hacking fast and automating weird stuff, but your mileage may vary. If you enjoyed this head-to-head, you know what to do. Subscribe for more automation showdowns. Got a favorite tool or want a different matchup? Let me know in the